Hey everybody, it's Charmain here from Stiletto Dust Photography. I just want to thank the Crowley family for allowing me to photograph them a family maternity photo shoot recently. So I thought I'd show all of you how it went down and I really hope you enjoy. Here's the video.
Alright, okay, everybody look at me. Hands down. There we go, look at mommy. There we go, look at John. Look at John. And give him a kiss. Go. Everybody look at me. Smile. Look at the mommy. And give mommy a kiss. Give me kisses, get in there. Another one, smile. Everyone look at me. There we go, you two kiss. And you're gonna fly. Turn a little bit. Turn the other way. Move your hands. One above the tummy. One below the tummy. One above the tummy. There we go. Look at the sky. Look the other sky. Looking to the ground. Turn towards me. And that's perfect. And action.